So here and welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can collaborate with someone on Google Keep Notes. By collaborating with someone, the person gets access to your Google Keep Notes, the file which you have collaborated with them, so that both of you can use the same file and discuss some topics over there. So in order to collaborate with someone on Google Keep Notes, all you have to do is just to open the Google Keep Notes in any web browser, or you can do the same process in your mobile application of Google Keep as well. For an example, in this video I'm going to show you how you can do the same process on Google Web. For example, if I open the Google Chrome and search there over Google Keep, when I search this, simple Google Keep page will open right in front of me. For example, I will create a new note which for example titled hello, and I'll write there a sample note, just simply a note I have created. Now you can see, in order to collaborate with someone over there, you'll see an option over there, a collaborator button. When you click on this option, a window will open right in front of you which says collaborators. Now here you have to write the email of the person with which you want to collaborate over here. You can write the email of multiple users over there, so that you want to collaborate with multiple users together on a single Google Keep note. Once you write the email over there, they get a request. So if they accept it, both of you has the access for this Google Keep note, so that if you are working on some script or some sort of things, both of you can work together over here. So by this method you can easily collaborate with someone and like share your Google Keeps note with someone as well, very easily. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.